When I'm not having a relaxing day at the beach, I'm watching Life is Good. Come on!
So let's go down the old road. Let's take you guys down the back side of Monteagle. I think this is my exit. I haven't done this in a long time. Let's make sure they have it outlawed us. No compression brakes. Oh, yes, you gotta love it. Okay, here we go. We're going to go down the back side of Monteagle. Steep downgrade, 7% next 3 miles. So it's a little steeper than the new road. The new road is 6%. This is 7%. Advisory truck speeds ahead. So let's see what they have in store for us today. Wished I had a camera out there on the mirror, but we would have to stop to fix all that. But hopefully you guys will enjoy. Let's see, 30 tons, 30, 35 tons, 20. So we got to do 20 miles an hour. This is the hill that cost me my job before I ever actually got the job. I was trying to apply for a truck driving job for the grocery distribution warehouse that I worked at, and the guy brought me down this hill in a pouring down rain as we were training, and he didn't like the way I engaged and disengaged the jake brake. So 20 miles an hour is a little slow for this massive jake that we have. We'll see if we can't downshift it down to that gear and hold her at 20. So 35 tons, 20 miles an hour, yep. Let's get a little bit less on the jake. There we go. So this is the old road. Back in the day when we ran this road and we had older trucks that didn't have quite the engine brake technology that this thing has, it was challenging. Okay, I think right here is where I actually start going down. I probably could have stopped right there and did my outside camera. We'll see how the view goes on this, you know. Alright, get her back to her 20. So we don't touch no brakes at all. That's all engine brake. And I'm telling you, man, the engine brake on this thing is massive. It will stop the truck. Isn't this exciting? Both hands on the wheel, so we are safe. That's where it'd be good to have that camera on a mirror so you guys can see that trailer tracking back there. But the old X-15 Cummins is doing a fine job holding us at our speed. That's the high side of, what do you want to call that, 6th? So we can put it in the low side and get around down there below 20 miles an hour. But the speed limit's 20, so we'll hold it about 22, 23 without any trouble. You would not want to run off. There was a washout right there in the road. Did y'all feel that? Fine job. Yeah, we just cannot do 20 miles an hour. Got to get in the gas. At least there's not a whole lot of traffic on this road anymore. It's a lot better to plumb it because you got 2 lanes. Going down, you got 1 lane that you got to really know your rig because it's hard to stay in your lane in some of these curves. That's on stage 2 brake. Holy smokes. Let's give this thing to stage 3. We'd never make it down this hill. We'd be like stopped. Piece of cake, right? $20 miles an hour is too slow for this rig. I think they need to reevaluate all their mountain grades across the country with today's trucks. I know not every truck has this massive of an engine and jake brake, but this truck can handle this hill at 45 easily, and it still never touches the brakes, you know. Well, there you go. I think we own that, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you enjoyed that rookie trip down the back side of Monteagle, down the old road. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. I'm not rooster cruising. I'm making idiotic ramblings. I am kicking my nephew's butt in a game of pool. Come on. That's how it's done, ladies and gentlemen.